Take your design to the edge with Laticrete profiles and trims. Over 4,000 products available in a comprehensive array of shapes, materials, and finishes, designed to meet any number of installation needs and providing the perfect complement to the complete system of Laticrete products. Available in stainless steel, aluminum, brass, and PVC, each piece is produced with the finest raw materials, ensuring premium quality and a consistent finish. Choose from an extensive selection of standard colors, including profiles designed to complement our most popular grout colors. Or take your design to the next level with our Any Color program. Create custom colors, opening endless possibilities, limited only by your imagination. Compatible with a wide range of materials, including tile, stone, carpet, wood, vinyl, and more. You can create one-of-a-kind looks indoors and out with a wide range of shapes for different installations. Backed by a system warranty. Stick to the products you know and trust and get the help you need from the experts in the Technical Services Department at Laticrete every step of the way. Take your design to the edge with Laticrete.